My other little old auger. Oh, I probably need to clean the carburetor on it. The fuel lines I tried to replace yesterday, and it's just a pain in the tail. And I've got to get this project done. So while this was on sale, marked down to $169.99, I went ahead and picked it up. And that's the Predator 2 horsepower auger with a 6-inch diameter auger. So we're gonna see if we can't open this thing up, fire it up. I got stuff to do. My daughter says, Daddy, do you have a new deck built and a new door put in the house before Carter's birthday? Carter's my baby grandson. I said, well, I don't know, when's his birthday? She said September. I said, well, that gives me the whole month of August. I reckon I can. Keep running into situations like this, I don't know. Anyway. There's our proverbial styrofoam we always get. Well, I wish I had a good use for styrofoam other than jug fish. Oh, what we got here? Oh, we've got us a little fuel mixing canister. First fill the gasoline on the scale mark, then fill the oil until the scale mark 600. Shake mixture and fill in the tank. Oh, cool. Cool. All right. By the way, this does use 25 to 1. This is their Predator power head. Oh. 6-inch auger, yeah, baby. That's gonna make setting these 4x4s a lot better because drilling the hole to 4-inch, man, you gotta be perfect right on there. Then you ain't got much room for concrete around it. Let's see. Here's an Allen wrench. There's another little wrench. There's another Allen wrench. There's a spark plug wrench and an imitation Phillips screwdriver. There's the instructions. And more styrofoam. All right. There's a little plastic sleeve covering that up. It slips into place, so we've got a pin here.
It's like a waterfall, Papa. Papa, it's like a waterfall over here.
Okay, uh-oh. Okay, now.
What do you mean, Daddy's cleaning it?
There's my pin that goes in the auger. But they shorted me the little hair clip. The little hair clip that keeps that from coming off. No, they didn't.
Papa, if you're
It
hot.
was just loose.
Papa, if you're hot, just stand this like a fan. It
Oh,
feels
yeah,
good.
you're in the movies, you know that? Wave at the camera, say hi.
Hi!
Alright. I found the clip that was in the box. Alright. 25 to 1 gasoline. Oh. Nice looking. With a 2-cycle engine, you know that there's no oil to put in your crankcase. And as far as the gear case, There's no obvious place to put oil in your gear case either. So I'm gonna make an ass out of you and me, and I'm going to assume that there's grease in there from the factory. Let's see what the instructions say. Probably say mix you up some gas, put it in there and fire it up and go. Fuel oil. Pressure's 8.2 to 1. Spark plug is NGK 12 thousandths. Maximum bit size is a 10-inch. Holy crap. It don't say nothing about putting grease in that thing. It says mix your gas and oil before start the engine, inspect everything, make sure you got gas in it, gas and oil. Check work area, blah, 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 blah. Place auger on its side with its bit resting on the ground that is to be drilled. Press the primer 3 or 4 times. Set the choke. Start off engines cold, run off engines warm. The power switch to the I position switch. That's it, baby. It says put some gas mix in there and crank that sucker. Well, all right, let's do it. Now, I want to see if I can figure this thing out. This looks mighty convenient. Fuel mixing canister. First, fill the gasoline on the scale marked 576. Okay. Then fill oil till the scale marked 600. Let me show that to you. Now this would be convenient. I hope I don't lose this like I lose everything else. Hard for me to see here. Okay. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but right here it says 576 and then 600. So I put gas to 576, then oil to 600, and we're perfectly mixed and ready to go. Well, alrighty then, let's do it. Some of you may be saying, why don't you use your Harbor Freight funnel? Well, hell, that's what I use to make my homemade wine. This is item number 63022. It was on a coupon today for $169.99. And it says, oh, I love it when it works good. That works good. Alright, let's flip this thing around here where I'm actually trying to drill a hole and see if it'll work. Let's see what happens. Well, let me tell you, it does pretty good. But this ground out here, I'm telling you, it's hard as concrete. It really is. But it's doing. I'm pleased with it. Wish there was a way that the bits would be sharper, you know, cut better in a hard dirt. But I just take a water hose, have to fill the hole up with water because it's like drilling concrete out here. So I'm gonna give that right now, right out of the box, running that good. I'll give her 2 thumbs up. I'll follow up with you when I get this project done. Or y'all watch my build on the deck. I've got a series of these coming out where I'm building this deck, and you'll see it in action, and we'll talk about it when the deck's over. Y'all have a wonderful day, and a better tomorrow. Bye, everybody.